Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today we'll be talking about USD JPY pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 22nd to 26th September 2025. So let's go straight to a chart. So firstly, let's what happened in USD JPY on Friday. So as we can see, 0.03% negative move, 147.934 was the closing on Friday. So here I'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week, and even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. And also I'll be sharing my opinion on what could happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check a weekly chart first. So let's open a weekly chart here. So this is a weekly chart. In the weekly chart we can see a bullish candle. Here we can see a bullish candle with a small body and a big lower wick with a small upper wick. We can see this week was a good data week. So here we received too many datas which moves the pair, and a big upside, small downside wick we can see, a lower wick we can see. Currently stochastic RSI is around 77.78, which indicates us a negative move, but always remember, we should not only depend on RSI or other indicators, we should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark important support and resistance zone on a 1-day chart. So here, this is a 1-day chart. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon for such weekly analysis. So currently we can see important support zones and resistance are already marked. We can see a big range in the same range since from August till now. The USD JPY is in the same range, so we are still expecting a big upside or a downside move. Just we have to see whether a big support or a resistance break. Once that happens, we can see a good upside or downside move. Currently we have already marked important support and resistance during a previous week analysis, so we don't need to mark any such markings currently. So let's straight talk about the closing. So here 147.934 is the closing. Here the direct support is 147.786 and direct resistance is 148.232. After direct support, there is a support of 147.154 and then 146.495. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 148.69 and then 149.146. So these are two important support and resistance zone that will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. Currently, if you're from India and thinking that how can I trade Forex market from India, then I have already shared two prop firm links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. If you don't know what is funded account or prop firm, I have already made a dedicated video on what is prop firm, how it works, and what are the rules that you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my Forex playlist. Do consider checking that out as well. Also, I have shared two prop firms, and out of them one I have also shared a discount coupon that can give you a 20% discount on any challenges. So do check that out as well. So let's now talk about my opinion in USD JPY for this week. So according to previous week movement and closing, I am expecting a negative move in this range, that is 147.154 to 147.786. I am expecting a negative closing for this week. Here, if you're looking for any long trade, then only look for a long trade. Once 140.232 gets breached and a 1-day candle gets closed above this, then we can go for a long trade 140.670. And even if this gets breached and a 1-day candle gets closed above this, then we can see a 149 to 146 momentum. So do wait for the confirmation and then only take trade. Currently my expectation is overall negative. What are your expectations? Do let me know in the comment section. And if you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.